Hey Al, where are we at?
We're at the top end of Rogue River in Agness, getting ready to ride a hill.
Let's do it.
Power of the beast compels you to get to the top of the hill.
Bandon Peak Challenge is the Bandon Bicycle Works Ride Challenge, showcasing the local two highest peaks of Curry and Coos County. Today we're riding to the top of Brandy Peak outside of Agness, 5,000 plus feet, 20 miles, and we've reached the snow, and we're not there yet.
CCACC, the Coos-Curry Adventure Cycling Club. We're all about riding and exploring our area. Coos County, Curry County. We're out looking for adventure. All those places you can get to by bike.
I think Al's getting cold feet.
I'm getting cold.
Literally. But he looks a little scared to hike up this. Looks like we gotta hike a bike up to Brandy Peak. Are we ready for that, guys?
Hell yeah.
What do you think, Al?
I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
Is snow your kryptonite?
Yeah.
It's a winter wonderland out here.
Wonder why we're out here.
Hey, Mike, why are we doing this again?
Because it's fun.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's fun. That's why we're doing this, guys, because it's fun.
You'd be sitting at home today.
I almost forgot. It was getting cold, but it ain't too bad. We came prepared.
We are at Brandy Peak. Getting ready to celebrate. Brandy on Brandy Peak.
Oh yeah, we made it out here. It's time to party.
Did anybody enjoy that?
Type C fun.
That's like type 6 fun.
Did it, guys.
It was.
So what'd you think of the ride?
It was long and really tall.
I enjoyed 90% of it.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, I'll do it again.
I'd probably wait a little while, but yes.
Yeah. Hopefully when there's no snow.
Until next time. So we just got done climbing some mad single track up and down Brandy Peak. What did we learn, Mike?
Snow sucks. Lots of sticks suck.
I got a stick right in the taint.
He'll walk it off.
That was a bit exhausting.